Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Inspect the number keys for crumbs, hair, or sticky residue, and power off before flipping the keyboard to dislodge debris. Once done, connect to a different USB port or repair Bluetooth to rule out port or wireless faults. Then open Device Manager and check the keyboard driver version. Update if outdated. You do this now because software and hardware issues can look identical, so separating them early saves time and prevents unnecessary replacements. Next, you isolate software. Reboot into safe mode and test the number keys so you can see whether a background app is the culprit. If numbers work in safe mode, disable custom layouts, language packs, and key remapping tools one at a time, because these often override default input. Run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupted system files, and then reinstall or roll back the keyboard driver if corruption persists. This step-by-step narrowing identifies whether the fault is Windows, a utility. For final resolution, try an external keyboard or the on-screen numeric pad to keep working while you finish repairs. If you use a mechanical keyboard, remove keycaps and clean or replace affected switches. For laptops or membrane boards, consider replacing the membrane or entire unit. Make sure to update keyboard firmware or perform a factory reset when available. If none of these steps fix the issue, contact the manufacturer with your troubleshooting log. One tip: document which steps changed behavior so support can help faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.